I want to demonstrate for you how to do niche research. And for this example, we are on dummies.com. Dummies.com is well known for basically creating guides and ebooks and information and training that help people discover how to do certain things. So they go out there, they find hot niche topics, topics that they know people want to buy, topics that people have a big interest in, and they create books. They team up with authors, they spend the time doing the research, they do, all kinds of things to put together these books. And so, the research that they've put into it is because they found that this niche market to be profitable, and they're not going to venture into a space that is not already profitable. So these books and these guides give you a really good indication as to the profitability and the potential for any niche market you might be interested in creating a product around, or a niche market where you might want to pursue further as an affiliate. So you're going to identify that niche, and then we'll go out there and find products that you can promote. I'm not recommending that you become an affiliate for dummies.com because you're just not going to make a lot of money promoting books like this. But if you go out there and ClickBank and find related products in that space, at least this will give you kind of a starting off point to determine, what niche market you may want to settle in on. And then you can follow through and look and try to identify affiliate programs that might fit up with what you're trying to do. So if you go to dummies.com, and just look for somewhere on their site where it says shop. So you'll see up here at the top it says shop for books. Down here it says shop for books. So we're going to go to the shop section. And you'll notice here, inside here, we've got all kinds of topics here. So you could go sort by all titles. You could go to business, investing, and career. So let's just click on that. And you can see all kinds of books here. So here's a book on college savings plans. So that tells you right there, college savings, savings for college, college scholarship books. Those would be a great possible niche market. Accounting, that's a good topic. Tax tips, it's tax season. Every year around April, from January to April, tax products do very well. So you can scroll through here and see which kind of niche markets you may be interested in pursuing. Here's a guide all about AdWords. Well, there's products on ClickBank related to pay-per-click marketing and AdWords that you could promote as an affiliate. So all kinds of things, top interview questions, answering top interview questions. They have these all sorted alphabetically, but there's all kinds of topics here. So interview questions, well, there's products on ClickBank, and there's other products you could be an affiliate for that are all about creating a good resume, finding a job, doing a job search. There's just huge amounts of possibilities here. So again, if you go down here, let's go to the fitness niche market and let's identify some possible things there. 15-minute workouts for dummies. Well, you could find ClickBank products with short workouts that people could use. Ballet for dummies. There's ClickBank products, I'm sure, related to that, or other products you could find. The ballet niche market is huge. You could find all kinds of ballet related products, slippers, the gowns, everything, the outfits. You could be an affiliate for those types of products. So keep this in mind as you're going through dummies.com, because they've identified the hottest product. Ab products by themselves sell extremely well on ClickBank. One of the most popular products in ClickBank history is called The Truth About Six Pack Abs. So that niche market is huge. So just browse through dummies.com if you're really stuck on the niche research, and pretty soon it's going to start coming to light what possible niche markets you could be tapping into. Self-help and relationships. ClickBank's loaded with self-helps, with addiction recovery courses, with anger management, anxiety. Anxiety and depression is a big problem, and ClickBank actually has products that you could promote, or there's other websites where you could promote. It doesn't have to be ClickBank, but you could identify affiliate programs in that niche market. All you have to do is go out to Google here and just do a simple Google search. So I'm just going to go up here to google.com, and I'm going to do a very quick and simple Google search here for, let's say, anxiety affiliate program. Anxiety affiliate program. And so right up here, panicanxietygone.com. They've got an affiliate page. It looks like they actually have a product on ClickBank that you could promote. So you could find all kinds of products out there, though, for these types of products out there. So keep that in mind as you're browsing through here. So there is dummies.com. The next site, of course, amazon.com, very popular place to do niche research, especially if you're looking for, physical products to promote. But the part that I like on Amazon here is if you go to Kindle books and e-readers, so Kindle books, you could also go to regular books as well. So let's just choose Kindle books because that's a big niche market. So on the left hand side here of Amazon, you're going to see all the different types of books. So if I were to click here on, let's just jump down here, health, fitness, and dieting, you would find all kinds of possible books related to this disorders and diseases, exercise and fitness. There's 7,000 books on exercise and fitness. And you can just scroll here, look what some of the top books are. So, Guide to Rapid Fat Loss, Born to Run, Why We Get Fat, Starting Strength, kettlebells workouts. So kettlebells a big niche market. So you can identify big niche markets from looking within Amazon's book section. The running and jogging niche is absolutely huge. You could be an affiliate for jogging shoes, running equipment. That's a big topic. Yoga is another one. And there's products you can find as an affiliate. Again, just go to Google, type in the niche market that interests you, and then use the keyword phrase affiliate program after it, just like we did here. So if I were to go here and just type in yoga affiliate program, you're going to find all kinds of products where you could potentially become an affiliate. So here is, DDP Yoga. They have an affiliate program, and they're actually a pretty big product out there on the market. So yeah, DDP Yoga, you can become an affiliate. They don't pay that high. It looks like 7%, but it is actually a pretty popular product that is out there on infomercials. It's been featured on TV, and so it's got some clout behind it. So you could do some searching out there and find products. Again, okay, so you see yoga as a potentially popular product. You go to Google, say yoga affiliate program. Boom, that's going to be the product I create. Or maybe you do yoga and it helps you. You could create a product around yoga. ezinearticles.com, another tremendous source for finding other niche markets to tap into. If you go to their homepage, ezinearticles.com, for example, here, let's just click on health and fitness. And if I click on that on the right hand side here, we're going to come up with all the different categories within health and fitness. Notice what I'm seeing here. Acne itself has 29,846 articles related to acne. This website has hundreds of thousands of articles on it, 29,000 articles just on acne alone. It's by far one of the more popular products within Ezine articles. You notice build or product categories. Build muscle, 28,000 articles. So I mean that tells you right there that there is an interest, there's a demand for these kind of solutions. So you could go out there to ClickBank, you could go out there to Google, type in acne affiliate programs to find products. Another very popular thing, heartburn and acid reflux. These are ailments people suffer from. There are products you could promote to help people that suffer from this. People don't want to have to, pay the expensive doctor's office visits, so they need those solutions. If maybe you've found the cure for your acid reflux, you could create a short little guide that helps people identify a cure for their acid reflux. Here's a couple other ideas. Just browse through here. Headaches and migraines. What kind of things do you know people that suffer from? What kind of things could you do some research, create content around to create your very own product? Back pain, autism, health and fitness, acupuncture, aerobics. You get the idea. There are so many possibilities within Ezine articles. So you could even come over here and let's just type in recreation and sports. And let's come on down here to golf, for example. And you're going to find all kinds of golf products, 22,772 golf related articles, all related to golfing. So right there just by looking at that the golf market's huge. On ClickBank, if you've done your research, there's products you can promote. Amazon is loaded with products you could become an affiliate for. There's products on eBay in this space. And so one other site that I want to share with you, that was just ezinearticles.com. And again, you can go through any category and really get an idea as to what niche you want to tap into. Like here's the internet and business opportunity niche market. If you're struggling to determine what product you want to create or what product you want to go to, Ezine Articles got a great category system because you could easily see like, okay, I want to go into the internet marketing space. I think blogging is going to be my niche. There's a lot of interest there. There's a lot of articles on this topic, and there's a lot of things that I could do around this particular topic. So that's how you could leverage a site like ezinearticles.com. One of the other sites, one of the last ones we'll show for the niche research here, is magazines.com. Magazines.com. This site here tells you automatically this is a hot niche market. Kind of almost identical to what dummies.com does, Amazon, Kindle section, eZine articles, ClickBank. All those tools tell you, hey, I've settled on a hot niche market. Again, whether you're creating your own product or whether you're looking for products to go into to become an affiliate, magazines.com, the reason it's good is because for a magazine to be produced, it costs a lot of money. So you can come down here and look for, here's sports related magazines. Notice there are 13 golf magazines. 13 golf magazines. That tells you right there it's an absolutely hot niche market, because anytime a magazine, even if there's one magazine in a niche market, it costs a lot of money to print those, to publish those, to create the content, to sell the advertisements, to get advertisers on board, because advertisers aren't going to advertise unless they're making money and getting in front of a targeted audience. There's a lot of factors that go into play to produce a magazine. So therefore, magazines that you find on here, that means that's a hot niche market. So golf right there, 13 magazines just on golf. If you're further in the sports and recreation, hunting and fishing has 94 magazines on hunting and fishing. That tells you right there that the hunting niche market is absolutely huge. And I guarantee you, if you were to go out to like clickbank.com, I know on Amazon, I know on eBay, if you became an affiliate on one of those, you could easily find hunting products to promote. But let's just go out here to the ClickBank side of things, and let's just go down to sports here, and let's look for hunting. So let's see if that even shows up as a category here. Outdoors and nature. So you could find, all kinds of, large bass mouth fishing techniques. There's lots of product related to fishing out there. Let's just type in hunting as well on ClickBank. And let's see, deer hunting secrets exposed, trophy deer hunting secrets. So there's all kinds of products on ClickBank as well that you could push. Not to mention, if you went out here and just typed in, hunting affiliate hunting gear affiliate program, you could find all kinds of sites you could become an affiliate for. Cabela's even has one. Shop deerhunting.com has one. Sportsman Guide has a big one. So there's big affiliate opportunities within the hunting niche market if you wanted to go that route. So there you have it there. Again, 94 magazines on that topic alone. If we go back here to all categories, let's just go to business and finance. Once again, here inside there, you've got all kinds of possibilities, inside business. If you click on business, there's 86 magazines. Ironically, there's actually more hunting and fishing magazines than there are business magazines that we're finding here. So that tells you right there how hot the hunting market is. And we can come in here, small business opportunities. This is more for people, that are interested in wanting to do internet marketing type stuff. So that tells you right there, internet marketing is huge. You should be leveraging this niche market because it's got entire magazines around it. So really take a look here. There's Home Business Magazine. So if you can help people start a home-based business, magazines.com is a great source. It's kind of a last-ditch effort. If you're really struggling to find a niche market, need some inspiration, you could go there. Any of these methods is going to be a winning method for you. If you follow through to these methods and then do the Google search to find an affiliate program or find a related product, then you found yourself a winning product there, a winning product that you could promote as an affiliate, or a winning product that you could create on your own and get your own product out there. That's your very own product that you're selling for 100% profits.